Roku today announces Premiere and Premiere Plus, two new devices that offer 4K HDR video streaming at prices starting at $39.99. The latter will be sold exclusively at Walmart and will include a remote control with voice search capabilities that is more convenient than the IR remote control included with the normal Premiere. But other than that, Premiere and Premiere Plus are identical. Both support 802.11n Wi-Fi and have a quad-core processor for responsive performance. With respect to HDR, you are getting HDR10, but not Dolby Vision. At $40 for the standard Premiere, Roku is becoming extremely pricey. The Fire TV with capacity for 4K of Amazon costs around $70, like the Chromecast Ultra of Google. And even at $40, you still have an HDMI cable in the box. The Premiere has a low profile that is not as thin as a transmission device, but not far away. It looks a lot like the previous Express device. Premiere and Premiere Plus will be activated in advance and will be available from the beginning of October. Separately, Roku is also upgrading its top-leveled Roku Ultra by adding JBL headphones to the box. The hardware is identical and will be sold for the same price of $99.99.